The advancement of artificial intelligence is remarkable, yet it is important to be aware of the potential negative effects on human life. AI can significantly impact our society, economy, and personal lives, and it is crucial to understand both its benefits and drawbacks. By being aware of the potential risks and challenges associated with AI, we can work to mitigate them and ensure that AI technology is developed and used in a responsible and ethical manner. This will help to maximize the benefits of AI and minimize its negative effects, promoting the advancement of society and improving the quality of life for individuals. Additionally, understanding the negative effects of AI can help individuals and organizations make informed decisions about the use of AI and prepare for its potential impact on their lives. Welcome to Top Wise. Here are 10 bad effects of artificial intelligence on human lives. Number 1. Job loss. Research has shown that the increasing use of AI technologies has the potential to displace human workers, leading to significant unemployment and financial instability. AI can automate many tasks that were previously performed by humans, from routine manual labor to complex decision-making processes. This automation has the potential to make certain jobs redundant, leading to job losses and a reduction in the demand for human labor. The financial instability that arises from unemployment can have far-reaching consequences for individuals, families, and society as a whole. This highlights the importance of addressing the impact of AI on employment and ensuring that the benefits of this technology are shared in a fair and equitable manner. To mitigate the negative effects of AI on employment, it is essential to invest in retraining and upskilling programs that can help people transition to new jobs in the AI-driven economy. Number 2. Bias and discrimination. AI systems are designed and trained using data, and if that data contains biases, the AI system will also be biased. For example, if a facial recognition system is trained on data that primarily includes white faces, it may have difficulty accurately identifying people with darker skin tones. Similarly, if an AI system is trained on data that reflects societal biases, it may make decisions that discriminate against certain groups of people. This can have far-reaching consequences for individuals, as decisions made by AI systems, such as those related to employment, credit, and law enforcement, can significantly impact people's lives. To mitigate these risks, it is important to regularly review and audit AI systems to ensure they are not perpetuating or amplifying existing biases in society. Additionally, diverse data sets and diverse teams of developers and testers can help ensure that AI systems are designed and trained in a way that minimizes the risk of bias. Number 3. Privacy concerns. The use of AI systems often involves the collection and storage of vast amounts of personal data. This data can include sensitive information such as financial records, medical histories, and location data. The storage and use of this data by AI systems can pose a significant risk to individuals' privacy. The centralization of data also increases the likelihood of data breaches and other security incidents, which can result in the exposure of personal information. In addition, AI systems may also use personal data to make decisions that impact individuals' lives, such as credit scoring, insurance pricing, and employment decisions. The lack of transparency around how AI systems use personal data can also make it difficult for individuals to understand and control how their information is being used. To address these privacy concerns, it is important to implement strong data protection measures, such as encryption and secure storage, and give individuals control over their personal data through clear and concise privacy policies. Number 4. Security risks. AI systems are vulnerable to hacking and other forms of cyber attacks. AI systems, like any other technology, are vulnerable to hacking and cyber attacks. This can lead to the compromise of sensitive information and the disruption of critical systems. For example, a hacker could potentially manipulate an AI system to make incorrect decisions, such as falsely identifying a person as a threat or disrupting an autonomous vehicle. This highlights the importance of ensuring that AI systems are designed and implemented with robust security measures. This includes regularly auditing and testing the system for vulnerabilities, implementing encryption and secure data storage, and providing ongoing security training and awareness for personnel involved with the AI system. Additionally, as AI systems become more sophisticated and are integrated into critical infrastructure, it is important to have contingency plans in place to mitigate the impact of any potential security incidents. This will help to ensure the resilience of the AI system and minimize the potential harm to individuals and society. Number 5. Psychological effects. Dependence on AI technology can lead to reduced human agency and decision-making skills. The increasing reliance on AI technology in our daily lives has the potential to impact our psychological well-being and decision-making skills. The overdependence on AI for tasks that were previously performed by humans can lead to a reduction in our ability to think critically, solve problems, and make decisions. This can result in a loss of agency and a sense of powerlessness, leading to feelings of anxiety and depression. Additionally, AI systems may also limit our exposure to new experiences and ideas, further reducing our ability to learn and grow. To mitigate these negative effects, it is important to strike a balance between the use of AI technology and human agency. This can involve limiting the use of AI in certain areas of our lives and promoting critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Additionally, it is important to encourage the development of AI systems that augment human decision-making rather than replace it. Number 6. Economic inequality. AI systems may benefit some individuals or organizations more than others, exacerbating existing economic inequalities. AI systems have the potential to exacerbate existing economic inequalities by benefiting some individuals or organizations more than others. For example, large corporations and wealthy individuals may have greater access to and resources for implementing AI systems, leading to a concentration of economic power in the hands of a few. This can result in increased economic inequality, as those without access to AI technologies may find it more difficult to compete in the job market and provide for themselves and their families. Additionally, the displacement of human workers by AI systems can result in reduced income and decreased spending, leading to a slowdown in the economy and further exacerbating existing economic inequalities. To address these concerns, it is important to promote the equitable distribution of the benefits of AI technology, such as through retraining programs and policies that support small businesses and individuals. This will help to ensure that the benefits of AI are shared in a fair and equitable manner and minimize the potential for increased economic inequality. Number 7. Legal and ethical challenges. AI raises a range of legal and ethical issues, such as accountability for autonomous decision-making. The development and deployment of AI systems raise a range of legal and ethical challenges, particularly in regard to accountability for autonomous decision-making. For example, it can be challenging to determine who is responsible when an AI system makes a mistake or causes harm. This lack of accountability can make it challenging to hold individuals and organizations responsible for their actions, leading to a lack of trust in AI technology. Additionally, the use of AI raises ethical concerns around the protection of personal data and privacy, as well as issues related to bias and discrimination. There is also the potential for AI systems to be used for unethical purposes, such as in the development for autonomous weapons. To address these legal and ethical challenges, it is important to develop and implement policies and regulations that provide clear guidance on the acceptable uses of AI technology and establish mechanisms for accountability and redress. This will help to ensure that AI systems are used in a responsible and ethical manner and minimize the potential for harm to individuals and society. Number 8. Political manipulation. AI can be used for political manipulation and propaganda. AI technology has the potential to be used for political manipulation and propaganda. For example, AI systems can be used to spread false or misleading information, or to sway public opinion through targeted advertising and personalized messaging. The use of AI to manipulate political information and public opinion can undermine democratic processes and erode trust in government and the media. Additionally, the use of AI for political purposes can also result in increased polarization and division, as individuals are exposed to only information that supports their existing beliefs. To address these concerns, it is important to promote transparency and accountability in the use of AI technology for political purposes, such as through the implementation of disclosure requirements for political advertisements. It is also important to support media literacy and critical thinking skills to help individuals identify and evaluate sources of information and make informed decisions. This will help to ensure that AI technology is not used to manipulate political information and public opinion and promote the integrity of democratic processes. Number 9. Lack of empathy. AI systems may lack empathy and emotional intelligence, impacting human relationships. AI systems, by their nature, lack empathy and emotional intelligence, which can have a negative impact on human relationships. For example, the use of AI in customer service and other interactions can lead to a lack of personal connection and emotional understanding, reducing the quality of the interaction and potentially leading to customer frustration and dissatisfaction. Additionally, the over-reliance on AI for tasks that require emotional intelligence, such as counseling and therapy, can result in a lack of human connection and understanding. This can have negative consequences for mental health and well-being, particularly for individuals who may already be struggling with emotional or psychological issues. To address these concerns, it is important to strike a balance between the use of AI and human interaction, especially in areas where empathy and emotional intelligence are critical. This can involve promoting the development of AI systems that augment human empathy rather than replace it, and encouraging the use of AI in a way that enhances rather than undermines human relationships. Number 10. Disruptive technology. AI has the potential to disrupt entire industries and cause significant social and economic upheaval. AI has the potential to disrupt entire industries and cause significant social and economic upheaval. For example, the rapid advancement of AI technologies has the potential to automate many jobs and render traditional work processes obsolete, leading to unemployment and economic instability. Additionally, AI has the potential to disrupt entire industries such as transportation and healthcare by introducing new technologies and business models that challenge established players. This can result in significant social and economic upheaval as individuals and organizations adjust to the changes brought about by AI. To address these concerns, it is important to proactively plan for and manage the impact of AI on industry and society. This can involve promoting the reskilling and retraining of workers, developing policies and regulations that support innovation and economic growth, and investing in research and development to ensure that AI technology is used in a responsible and sustainable manner. By taking these steps, we can help to ensure that the benefits of AI are shared broadly and minimize the potential for disruptive effects on industry and society. What are your thoughts on this topic? Share your comments below. And please like and subscribe to this channel. Click the bell button on the side and turn on all notifications so you will be updated on our latest videos. If you think we missed something on the list, or if you have any suggestions for the content of our next video, then feel free to write your thoughts in the comments section below. We will try to respond to your suggestions as soon as we can. Thank you for watching.